if a ball is thrown into the air with a velocity of 40 feet per second, the height after t second is given with this function of t. Find the velocity at 2. So velocity is a derivative, right? It's the rate of change of height versus time. Okay, so to find v at 2 is simply this, using the definition of derivative, where f is this y here. So let's replace now the f with 40t minus 16t squared. So 40, 2 plus h minus 16, 2 plus h squared minus, plug in 2 now, 42 minus 16, 2 squared. Okay, so I'm going to pair these two together. So you get 40, a group of 40 with, you get a 2 plus h and minus 2. Okay, I'm going to pair these two together. They have a common factor of 16. So I'm going to factor out 16 and I get a 2 plus h squared minus 2 squared. Okay, so I skipped some steps there without doing the full expansion. And I suggest if you can't follow that, just expand it, right? Get rid of the one bracket at a time and see if you can factor in this form. Okay, note that here the 2 cancels out. Okay, and the second bracket, so we have 40h. Let's factor that. It's difference of squares, so we get a 2 plus h minus 2 and a 2 plus h plus 2. Okay, so that also cancels out. And note that I can divide the top and bottom by h and get rid of that h, and also that h. Okay, so let me just copy down what I have now. 40 minus 16, 4 plus h. Now if we replace h with 0, we get 40 minus 16 times by 4, which is 40 minus 64. So minus 24 feet per second. Okay, so what that means is that the velocity at time is 2 seconds. It's the velocity is going down. That's why there's a minus there. But you can just say minus 24 feet per second. Okay, but you have to understand that because up was positive, down means negative value.